Welcome to Kannimar T-shirts. We are a T-shirt manufacturer based in Tirupur. Already you have seen our 190 GSM Biowash plain T-shirts or 230 GSM Biowash oversized T-shirts. But in this video, we showcase our 190 GSM printed T-shirts. We offer 10 different unique colors and unique printers. You know it quality very well. It is made of 190 GSM red label yarn fabric.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream of
Our own facility handles the cutting, stitching, ironing and baking all work. No fading, no color loss. We fully guaranteed this product. You have any doubt, you can buy a sample and take it to a testing for lab. This is 10-piece box packing. Our baking method is to individually bake each pieces and put in the box. It is starting size is priced as 135 rupees with each size 10 rupees extra. We also offer customized order your choice of colors, logo and unique designs, but for that you need to order at least 100 pieces per color. Not interested to buy your product, contact us. Our contact details is already displayed in your screen. Get your product delivered anywhere in India. Just choose your nearest transport options. Apart from this, we are also manufacturing more than 50 items. We manufacturing clothing for men, women and children and born baby and categories. Stay tuned as we introduce our other product in our regular videos. Welcome to Kannimar T-shirts.